Hey everyone, I hope you guys doing good. My name is Tarang Patel and I am starting my channel today named Virtual Data E-Learning. Basically, the purpose of creating this channel to provide an e-learning platform with the mission of making learning accessible to everyone for beginners to professional. I am here to provide you a great knowledge on a trending topics in the area of different programming languages. So let's get started. But before we getting the start, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel because it's motivate me to create more and more videos. So are you guys interested in building website or web application? Then you have to learn the basic languages called HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery and Bootstrap. These languages are not difficult to learn. Anyone can learn these languages. I know there are lots of resources and courses on the internet. Then why would you guys spend your important time on my videos? Okay, let me tell you. Point number 1. We will learn every topics in detail, step by step with an example. Point number 2. I will give you tips and tricks, do and don'ts. They might help you to write a better code. And the last point, I will ask you the questions and I will share some important information at the end of the every videos. What you will learn? You learn web development with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, well-structured code. Responsive web design means how to adapt our web pages for different devices. For example, mobile, tablet, your laptop and PC. How to work Bootstrap and use jQuery for awesome effects like animation. Server-side scripting languages. Who this channel is for? Anyone who want to learn web development, school and college students, those looking for a career change, and anyone who is interested in learning programming languages. Okay guys, so let's move on the question parts, and the today's question is, at what age did you start your coding and what was the first programming language? Okay, so let's talk about mine. For example, I started my coding at the age of 14 and my first programming language was a FoxPro and ASP.NET. So please guys, comment your answer like this, and again subscribe the channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next one.